Welcome back, guys. I realize it's been a while since I posted, but we're back and we're going to do another mini series on my dad's new truck. One of the things we're going to be doing today is cleaning and fixing the interior. We've already cleaned the carpet and the seats and stuff, and we've torn everything apart. What we need to do is the doors and the dashboard. What we're going to be doing is reupholstering this to match our custom headliner. Both doors?
Yep.
And hopefully we can fix this dash pad because it's shattering bringing the sun, and basically finish cleaning. Probably the first thing we're going to be doing today is an oil change. We need to change the oil and replace the filter. As you can see, it is pretty dark, and also it is, I don't know how to tell. Oh, right there. Right there. It is not in the middle of right there. And so, probably one of the main things we're going to be doing is replacing, we noticed a leak underneath the car. That's probably the rear main seal. Okay.
So what is it?
The rear main seal. We need to replace that because we found a leak underneath the car. Another one of the things we're going to be doing today is preventative work, because this model of Dodge is known for having transmission. The other things we'll be doing to the transmission are replacing the fluid, replacing the filter, adding a drain plug, replacing the transmission pressure sensor, and adjusting the band. We got the truck raised up. We got the back tires walked off, and we'll see you underneath the truck. Welcome to the other side of my dad's truck. Now that we're under here, as you can see, we have a leak right here. It's probably the rear main seal. But before we get to that, we have to drain the oil pan. And make sure to always use the right tool. So now we're taking off the oil filter. Make sure not to drop this in. Oh, not see? There is a bit. Let's wait for that to drain out real quick. Okay, now that we have removed some stuff, we get the oil pan. Now we can drop the oil pan, so let's heat up the oil pan. Good news! We got it out. It used to be right there. Here's the cover. Yay! Look at all that slimy, oily stuff. It's disgusting, but we got out the oil pan, so that's the good thing. Whew. My dad is under cleaning the truck. While my dad is under cleaning the engine of the truck, I'm going to be cleaning the oil What is it called, Father?
Oil pan.
The oil pan. I'm going to be using brake cleaner. This stuff is super corrosive, so make sure you have proper safety equipment. I'm wearing gloves and glasses. I should be wearing something to cover my arms, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. Pretty sure. We are back underneath the engine. The engine block is all cleaned up, ready for the oil pan. You have to get underneath this to replace the rear main seal. As you can see, we have the oil pump off. One thing I forgot to mention is that we're replacing it and we're going to put a new one back on. Oh, my dad is going to be pushing out the rear main seal. You push it from one side and then you can grab it from the other side. As you can see here. The reason we are taking this out is so we can put the new one in. We're going to have to do it to that one, and then we have another piece over there. So, we're taking this out so we can replace it with our new rear main seal. And we were pretty sure that this is what was causing the leak. And also, if it doesn't go in the other one, we have to slightly oil it and put it in there, but if it doesn't go in easily, we're going to have to loosen these two bolts.
Bolts.
Okay. We got the bottom half installed. Now we have to tighten up these two bolts. Wait, are they
Ready to go.
Okay. Also the reason that I don't have any gloves on anymore is because I got brake cleaner in my eyes. So that's why if you see my hand shaking, it's because that just happened. Don't worry, this stuff is very toxic, but that's fine. Brayden! What we're going to be doing is priming, well, what my dad is going to be doing is priming the oil pump. He's going to pour everything in there. It would normally come out of here, but we have it taped off. Right, Father? He just nodded. Oh, I like that sound. Why does it sound so cool?
Oops. It overflow.
It is fine if you have a bit of an overflow.
Okay, then turn it off.
What my dad is doing right now is reinstalling the oil pump.
I let them know that we've already we torqued the caps off to 85 foot-pounds.
Oh, you already said that, so I don't have to.
And then these will be torqued 35 foot-pounds.
You're saying something, so I don't have to. Alright, so we have everything underneath all bolted back up. We had some technical difficulties and didn't get to record a few things. And ended up losing audio. So this is a voiceover. So now we're adding the oil. I like putting 1 quart less than the recommended, letting it run, then topping it off as needed.